And right away I got to see that both drive. That's way to go. Yep, both drivers rattle about a bit. Hello guys, welcome back to the returning subscribers, and if you're new, you know what to do. Hit the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell notification option to stay updated on all my new uploads too. Now recently I did an unboxing and review on these real cheap GXT gaming headphones. And yes, up to now they have surpassed all expectations for a budget headset. But today I got my hands on these other budget headphones. Ooh, gaming headset. So yeah, they're the Sage SA930s. These do have a low budget price ranging between £13 to £20. That's around 17 to 26 in US dollars. Outside the box, you can see the initial image of the SA930s. These do come in two colours of purple and green, and below there are some function details which I'll get into shortly. To the right hand side of the box we have some instructions on how to attach the dual pin adapter. Well, I guess that must be inside. And to the left of the box there are three more detailed images of the headphones themselves, with a few facts that this headphone does indeed have 40mm drivers. That's nice. There's nothing much to the rear of the box, just some multi-language specification lists. Oh no, hang on, there's some tips that Sage like to give you. Oh now this is funny, guys, now listen to this, check this out.
Use the headset to the appropriate level, so as not to damage the hearing.
Yeah, okay, I will, thanks.
While driving a car or bike, do not use the headset, otherwise it may cause traffic accidents.
Yeah, right. I should imagine playing Black Ops while driving could possibly be hazardous, yeah. What? What does this say?
Such as walking and jogging.
Yep, you see a guy jogging with a gaming headset on. He's either robbed your house and he's got his hands full, or he's got a tiny bit carried away with the VR headset. Inside the box, okay, there isn't any protective packaging, just a single layered bubble wrap bag. Inside are some very simple instructions. Indeed, there is a dual 3.5mm audio plus microphone adapter for PC use. One single 3.5mm input attached to this 1.5m black and purple braided cable. And finally we got, may I say it, a very glossy and reflective gaming headset. These SA930s don't look too bad. I personally don't go for reflective gaming headsets, especially if you plan on using them say on a startup gaming channel. They do follow a good colour coordination from the inner driver material, the grooves to the outside of the driver unit, the outside edge plastic lining, and like I mentioned, the cable too. This cable does have a microphone on-off switch as well as a volume control wheel. Again, there's that same purple lining to the synthetic leather padding headband. It does seem kind of thick, but the earpads do feel rather thin. They ain't that plush, however these earpads can easily be replaced, just like so. The left hand side of the driver unit has a 120-degree hidden microphone. And right away I got to see that both drive. That's way to go. Yep, both drivers rattle about a bit. Next time I will get you. As I was going to say, right away both driver units do rattle around a lot. However, that's not evident when these headphones are on your head. They stay in place with a very tight fit. Vogue. To the top of the headband you can see the engraved Sage logo just here. And these side arms are indeed adjustable. Now, I'm not going to hang about, and what I will say is that me and my kids have used this headset during the past week on a PS4. Usually I test over 3 days with reviewable products. So let me just go in and tell you the results over the past 7-day period. First of all, I was surprised how clear and loud the audio actually was. I was expecting a flat sounding headset, but to be honest, they have good bass, the high tones are good and loud and well on point. Mids were good too, with low clear tones. That's great when it comes to directional sound. I will add though that directional sound was limited. I found that left to right, right to left sound panning was good, but front to rear audio wasn't hardly noticeable. This Sage headset comes with a low bass rating of 22Hz. They have a treble high of 15,097Hz, which on a scale between 20 to 20,000 Hz isn't too bad. The microphone is fixed and positioned away from your mouth. It's okay, but I did notice that you do get bad feedback if you're vocally loud. The comfort of the SA930 headset was alright and comfortable enough thanks to the light weight, of the weight being around 251 grams. Padding on the headband wasn't too bad, however the ear cups did feel uncomfortable after 3 hours use. In addition, these are not noise cancelling headphones, which you would have liked to have seen. I mean, there are a lot more cheaper gaming headsets right now on the market that do have that locked in the gaming zone atmosphere to them, and that's because of the noise cancellation. This gaming headset is compatible with PS4s, smartphones, tablets, PC and the new Xbox One. Oh, and I will just add that if you want to use this on a first generation Xbox One controller, well, you're going to need to grab yourself a Microsoft adapter. That is very much needed. In whole, I do think these headphones look kinda cheap, and I don't know how long they will last before they break. Put it this way, I didn't want to flex them out too much during a flex test. I did hear a creak or two, yes I did. Audio, however, is okay. I think the audio connector could do with being further down the cable and not resting on the side of my hip. On the plus side, the controller is very functional, and I do like the fact it isn't the usual type that sits on the side of the headset. You know the type? Like this one here. But anyway, you know what? Yeah, it's about that time. Once again, what would I give these SA930s a rating out of 10? Well, drum rolls please! Well, considering that I've tested cheaper, more comfortable, better sounding gaming headsets in the past, I feel that I must do a comparison and rate these gaming headphones today 5 out of 10. I do think that they are pretty basic, maybe suited for under 10-year-olds or as an emergency secondary gaming headset. I will still leave a link for this headset within the video description down below, but what I'll also do is I'm going to list some of my personal suggested budget gaming headsets in that same video description, so yeah guys, go and check that out. But please go ahead and share this video wherever possible, make sure you smash that like button, please subscribe, not forgetting to click that bell notification option to be the first to see my new uploads. I'll see you guys and girls over on my next video, and thanks for watching. Peace!